That's a different point. I mean, do you need to be ethical in order to be successful in business? I mean, it would seem from the examples of India and from the examples of 19th century America that ethics aren't necessarily important in business. So are there any reasons why you would wish to be ethical in business? Let me bring you in here, Gervase, because you've looked at slow finance, you've talked about ethical investment a lot in that book. Why should ethics be central to business? Business is about making money. Should it be about living by a clear ethical code as well?
Of course it is, because you are serving customers, and your customers have their own ethics. Now, during a credit bubble, of course, while profit's being made, you can get away with all sorts of things. But as you move beyond the credit boom, you're beginning to find that these ethical changes are coming through in the way that people are regarding businesses. The reason that we saw that change on Starbucks coffee was
Here in Britain, that was.
It's because it's actually led to a change in aspirations by the individuals who then force through the business change. And that's where the business ethics are going to be coming from. That changes.
Because reputation is important. Ed Conard, I'd like to